A recent survey by the Ghana Statistical Service shows that 8 out of 20 university graduates each year are unemployed. Some of these university graduates have their hopes on only employment after university. What happens? We don't know. The number of university graduates in Ghana continues to rise each and every year, leaving dreams unfulfilled and potentials untapped. It's time to act now. Join the Pathfinders as we champion the cause to raise awareness on skills, network, and entrepreneurship. It's time to act now. So today we have here a student entrepreneur, and as Pathfinders, we are raising awareness on the need for entrepreneurship. So I'm a Pathfinder, and our purpose is to raise awareness on skills, network, and entrepreneurship. May I know your level and the course you are doing, please?
Okay, I'm a level 200 student, and I offer business administration.
So I'm Emmanuel Kote Nikwe, and I'm also in level 400. I'm Bachelor of Arts student in Information Studies and History. Yes, that's it.
I'm level 200 student, and I'm offering philosophy and political science.
I'm in level 200, majoring in accounting.
All right, level 300, majoring in accounting. So please, I would like to know, after university, what's next? After accounting, that is pursuing accounting, what will you be doing after university?
To me, my perception studying accounting, especially in business admin, is not always about coming out looking for a job from different companies or different institutions. But one of my motives is that I believe that when I finish school, I should be able to get something by myself to do. That is why currently, as a young boy in the university, I have some business I am going through doing. Especially, we have certain softwares in accounting that at least there are certain portfolios that when you finish school, you can do by yourself, not even by going and holding files, following companies to get a job. I believe that when I finish after school or after university, I want to run my own business.
Yeah, so concerning the history background, you can actually find that most of the details inside actually relate to the aspect of the past and the future, which relates to law. So actually, we have our ex-president, as John Dramani Mahama, was a history student at the University of Ghana, and he did law at the postgraduate level and became a lawyer also. So based on this particular fact, I also like to learn law when I actually do my postgraduate. Yeah.
So I'll further my raising art business after university because I would need a shop. When I'm done with the university, I'll need a shop to sell raising materials and to be making the craft as well. So when I'm done with the university, I'll just go ahead with my raising art business. Not only focusing on government job. If I get a job, fine. I can be doing the raising art as a side hustle or something. But then if I don't get it, I'll just focus on my business. Yeah.
What are you looking to do with philosophy and political science?
Okay, I would like to major in political science, and after that, I would like to go in for the immigration or army.
Wow, that's a unique thought because mostly people do the degree and they look forward to just venture into the same branch they are in. But you are looking forward to finish with the political science and branch into immigration or army. Why that decision?
Oh, I made that decision years ago.
Years ago?
Yeah, not now. No, and I don't think anything can change that. Yeah.
That's very nice. Service to the nation. So we are all accruing skills, we are networking with each other, and we are promoting entrepreneurship. That's what Pathfinders are here for. Thank you very much.
So you said that you already have some businesses that you're already doing. Yeah. So how are you able to manage your business and then your academics?
Okay, so personally, I learn at dawn. I can't learn during the daytime. So the daytime after class, I go home and make my craft. Only if I have orders. Mostly I don't have orders. It's once in a while. So when I have orders, I do it during the daytime and I learn at dawn.
Yeah, I think it's a very tough journey combining the two together. I come for lectures. As at the time I have lectures, I go to the business site. As at the time I'm supposed to be there. So I've been able to schedule my time based on the timetable I know that I could come for class. And the time that I'm supposed to be at the market to make sure that the goods I have at the market, I'm able to dispose them.
Okay, so accounting and you're an entrepreneur. Can you tell us what you are doing or what you offer as an entrepreneur?
Okay, I'm a raising artist. That's I make raising crafts such as key holders, diaries, pen, bookmarks, rulers, jewelry, etc. There are a whole lot.
Did you start before coming to the university or Can we know?
I started before coming to the university. Yeah.
I do purchases and sales. I purchase yams from the north, export some abroad, and also when we talk about the yam business, there are some criteria we use in while running the business. There are some yams, when you hold them, you see that sometimes they weigh them. They look at the weight. Traveling yams abroad doesn't need the big ones. So we call them the rejected ones. The rejected ones are the big ones. The small ones, the supplier will have to look at it, we wash them, box them, and then you export them based on a fixed price. Supplier has to pay a fixed price. So I go to the north, buy both the reject and the supply, the one that I will be supplying abroad and the one that I will sell at the market for the people within the country. And it's a business that I've seen that it's a good business for me.
As a student entrepreneur, I know that you face some challenges. Can you tell us a few challenges you face doing the business and learning as well?
Okay, financial aspect, I sometimes face challenges because sometimes I would need money to pay fees and at the same time need money to buy chemicals for my business. So I had to combine both and share the money. So I'm kind of stuck there, yes.
Oh, okay. You are an inspiration to many others and many entrepreneurs just like you who are also students. What are your final words for student entrepreneurs like yourself?
I urge all student entrepreneurs to embark in entrepreneurship because there are many benefits in it. You get financial help. Sometimes I wouldn't be having money. I would be thinking of where to get my next meal from. But somebody will just call me on the phone to place an order so that I get money to feed myself and even pay my bills. So entrepreneurship is a very, very good skill. So I urge all individuals, all students, entrepreneurs to venture into entrepreneurship because it's a very good skill and you won't find yourself stranded at all.
Oh, that's very nice. Entrepreneurship is the key to the future. Pathfinder.
Skills, network, and entrepreneurs.
Thank you.
So the Pathfinder is also here to promote skills, network, and entrepreneurship. We are here for student entrepreneurs. So we'd like you to cooperate with the Pathfinders. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Let's collaborate to transform the narrative, whether through mentorship, workshop, funding, or advocacy. Your support can ignite a future where every graduate knows after university what next isn't a dilemma but an opportunity. Partner with us to make a difference today.